indo iria ithondekagirwo guku bururi-ini maita maingi cionekaga iri na thogora wa iguru ukiringithania na iria ciguragwo nja ya bururi, undu uria aria mari na iganda nyinyi guku bururi-ini maugite no ucenjie korwo thirikari no igwithie igoti riria rirehagio indo iria ciguragwo iri cia guthondeka macini itiganite kuhuthirwo ni iganda guku bururi-ini.
We wonder how comes we have to import no mwaka import indo taici na ti huthu no mwaka import ne goro. It takes time na no we had to manufacture locally. Support guku in case you get a problem you can call us. We are just here because sometimes support abroad takes time.
Iganda-ini kia Numero IoT Morris Betsa na aruna ake me mihango-ini ya guthondeka mashini ya guthima urugari kana thermometer iria kwa ihinda riri no nginyagia uthimwo urugari ukiingira giikaro-ini o giothe kia muingi.
We are also working with different universities on production of ventilators, and we are trying to help them because for us we have the experience on moving from the prototype to mass producing.
Indo iria cithondekaga macini ino itureirwo na kunyitithanirio o guku na anake aya marenda thirikari gukoragwo muhari-ini wa mbere gukuria iganda cia guku bururi-ini na njira ya kugura macini iria cirathondekerwo o guku bururi-ini.
If they can as possible as much for the small SME kaburi taici shena investors na innovators and everything the supporters in terms of kugoithia magoti kugerera magoti kwa the ones that are being imported from outside na maya turathondeka guku thiini in our small factories and everything magoithie magoti. At the same time they help us market our products guku nja.
Ururu wa murimu uyu wa COVID-19 niguo wacohetie meciria maingi guku kuhingo gwa thabari cia ndege kuma nja ya bururi gugituma a Kenya aingi riu kwihoka indo iria ithondekagirwo guku bururi-ini.
The single idea that I had na nikavumilia na nikangangana nikafikia hapa create employment to so many other people. So nataka watuchukue vizuri, watuthamini, wasikize kilio chetu na zile vitu wanatupromise kwa TV. Pia tukikuja kwa ofisi zao ikuwe ni the same. Ukisema umetupatia exemption, nikikuja kwa ofisi yako nipatie exemption.
Kampeni ya gura indo cia guku Kenya ukurie bururi wa Kenya ikoretwo igithie na mbere kwa ihinda iraihu, no magoti maria marengagwo na kurihio indo iria ciumaga na nja igithararia mageria ma thirikari ma gukuria iganda nyinyi iria ireyumiria. A Kenya metereire budget guthomwo athondeki na ene iganda nyinyi guku bururi-ini no mathiite na mbere kuhoya thirikari kweheria magoti niguo mahote kuoya indo iria ciumaga nja ya bururi na guthondeka indo iria ingihotithia a Kenya macigure na thogora megwikinyiria. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV njitagwo Charles Gikunga wa Kariuki.